The reason why inflation and the cost of living have to keep going up is because we suck. We don't produce anything, but we want everything, right? How many people you know are like manufacturing products that like you need for a day-to-day thing, right? Probably just manufacturing bombs over at Lockheed Martin, right? Don't know how many people you think to yourself are like in agriculture, but everyone eats food. Meanwhile, we're like, you know, I'm a supervisor over here. I'm a manager level 3. You know, I'm a HR administration this. You know, I do all these things that don't actually produce anything. I'm a lawyer. I'm a judge. All of these things are just people just playing games with each other and taking up resources while we do it. You're like, I'm going to go to my important job where I'm going to go smack keys all day. I need gas to put in my car. Where does gas come from? How do you get gas? I don't know. I'm not a capitalist. I just live in capitalism. So maybe capitalism would be better if I was a capitalist, but I'm not a capitalist. Forget that. Anyway, here I am at work, moving fucking pixels from here to there. I had to check this document, make sure that the permitting comes through. I got to make sure that all these, you know, prerequisites get met, and then I get in my car, I drive to a store, I pick up some packaged meat off a shelf. I don't really know how you even package meat, right? Like, it's one thing just to get the animal, like, kill it, cut it up and all that stuff, but like the styrofoam bottom, where does that even come from in the world? The plastic wrap, like something as simple, you know, as like this, like where's the salt even come from? How do you, where's the materials in the world that you turn into this plastic? How do you then go and find the paper, the ink, the machine that prints the label, assembles all this crap together after finding and, you know, getting the salt to a quality that, you know, wouldn't get them sued for everything if just one little mistake happens along the line? Because, you know, that's what it's about here in America. It's not about producing, it's about taking, right? It's about go and make that money, except you don't make money. Money can be printed, but you can't actually make it. When you go and get that money, you're just taking it from someone else. So when you're like, I'm gonna charge X dollars, but then you're like, I'm gonna charge X more dollars because I can do it. I'm that valuable. And so what I'm gonna do with my extra value is I'm gonna charge more, which makes sense, except that ultimately we're in a society, a community, where we're all just trying to take more and more and more from each other while we produce nothing. Just sitting here driving around in cars and stuff, like almost nobody is producing those, like just very few amount of people that are actually like the percentage of our population that's literally just sitting there like doing fucking nothing. It's ridiculous. And just think about the whole education system. Like they're just, after you get done learning how to read, what is the rest of it? Like decimals, multiplying, knowing about like all of that, just complete waste of money. Management level 2, 3, 4, you got the fucking C class, you got the director, you got the fucking, all those people on top making all that money. They don't produce fuck shit. But we need more. It needs to go down.